Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting tutorial for all you tech-savvy users out there. In this video, we'll show you how to easily search and find the specific features you want in the Turn Off the Lights browser extension options page. So, without further ado, let's dive right in. Alright, here we are on the Turn Off the Lights options page. As you can see, there are a plethora of features available, making this extension incredibly versatile. However, finding a particular setting amidst all these options can be a bit overwhelming. Fear not, because we've got you covered. Before we get into the searching process, let's familiarize ourselves with the layout of the options page. The page is neatly organized into sections, each corresponding to different aspects of the extension, such as visual effects, advanced options, and more. Knowing the layout will save you time when searching for specific features, as you can directly jump to the relevant section instead of scrolling endlessly. Now, pay close attention to this game changer, the search bar. It's a hidden gem that not many users know about, but it will undoubtedly simplify your life when using Turn Off the Lights. Simply type in the feature you want, like eye protection, and watch the magic happen. The search bar will instantly filter through the options and show you the relevant settings. But wait, there's more. To take your searching skills to the next level, you can enter any words. It will search for that keyword in all the sections and will only show the section where the keyword is visible. Using keywords like atmosphere lighting will help you find those hidden features you never knew existed. Or use the keyword night mode to get all the features instantly. There you have it, folks. You are now masters of finding your desired features in the Turn Off the Lights browser extension. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tricks. Until next time, happy browsing. Thank you all for watching, and see you in the next video.